In this video, we're going to consider some key factors in determining whether a cardboard bike box is good for shipping with Bikeflights.com. Let's first consider the size. Your box should be large enough to fit your bike comfortably, with enough room to spare for packing materials. Be careful not to select a box that is too big for shipping with Bikeflights. Also be careful not to have too much room inside your bike box. You want your bike to fit snugly. What you're looking for is the Goldilocks of sizes. Next, let's consider sturdiness. Your box should be strong enough to withstand the rigors of shipping. What does that mean? Look for a box that is made of thick cardboard and has reinforced corners. A great example of a sturdy box is our Bikeflights bike box, which has been designed and tested to the Amazon ISTA 6A standard. Boxes like this are more resistant to drops, impacts, and vibrations. Finally, let's consider condition. Your box should be in good condition with no major holes, tears, dents, or water damage. If your box is already compromised, it may not provide adequate protection for your bike throughout its journey. If your box already has holes or tears in it, small parts could fall out, and small tears and holes can easily become bigger tears and holes in transit. Give this video a like. And for more helpful packing and shipping related videos, subscribe to the Bikeflights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.